smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
This one. Main garage. So my wife was taking her car to the main dealer to get a service, and I said, yeah, I'll come with you, I'll walk home. So that's what I'm doing. So let's see where this takes us. Start with a bit of walking by roads. This is a brand new town on the outskirts of Cambridge, a place called Cambourne. Trying to skirt around this new town and get to their nature reserve. I should be able to get to the southern belly of this place and then get into the countryside. First bit of autumn, early Christmas grass. Cambourne Nature Reserve with a lake with fishermen. Going through the park, going up something called, imaginatively, Crow Hill. Atop Crow Hill, farmland all around, and then Cambourne in the fog. No, seriously, it's a dull day, cooped up at Christmas. My wife's car's going in for service, so I said, yeah, I'll come with you, I'll walk home. And then when you're in the car for 25 minutes, you realise it's probably a 9-10 mile walk home. But we'll get there. I think this is where I leave the nature reserve with its nice paths and head off across the fields. Just a half mile or so outside Cambourne. The nice field behind me. Bit of a swap round the other way. We have a field of solar panels. The modern world. I've been spotted. I'm obviously a puma. Through somebody's garden, it appears. Country roads, very thin. So, leaving the village of Bourne behind me, moving on to the next few villages. But for the record, Bourne, literally the birthplace of IVF. Go look it up. Over the ditch and down along the fields, with the golf course emerging on the right. The juxtaposition of the golfers and the field. I can see my path going up and over that hill. That's what I'm heading for. You just have to have faith that this is the path. Walking by a small brook. No bridge. So we just have to make our way across. It's quite deep. There's the ford. And off it goes. I did not think I'd be going bare feet today. Ooh, that is cold. Very cold. And we have a lovely heron just where I crossed. I'm not sure if anyone's been around here recently. There are no footprints getting round this tree, so they will have come down the last couple of days. So getting close to the village, next to my village, so more or less know where I am now. Don't often come out this way, but been a nice walk. Haven't seen anybody, not surprising really. It's just after Christmas, but still got a few miles to go, so we'll see what happens. Another little bridge over a small stream. Across to the church in Toft. Last mile and a bit. Through the golf course. Last field. Although the path is disappearing on this field. Down the cobble streets. Quarter of a mile, and that's about it. 3.5 hours, something like that. So something to do. My wife said she was taking her car in for a service. I said, yeah, take me, I'll walk home. It's a more direct route than the roads, but all good fun. Definitely the last walk of 2024.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.